How to find community invites notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find community invites notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then go to hub and then the three lines. Now go to settings and scroll down, click this one, first one here, notifications, and scroll all the way down until you find community invites, and here you can manage it because it's easy. That's it, you can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.